You said that, you felt sad that you had to let us go, but, don't worry, we will come back, either as lawyers or clients, or we'll go anywhere. So I was called to the bar today. Before I came to law school, I was an actor. I did some acting. I went to theater school. I once played a character in a Shakespeare play, minor character, but he had a famous line, which was, "The first thing we do, let's kill all the lawyers." And when I put on the robes this morning and swore the oath, I thought it wasn't a good idea. But I know that if Dick was charged with threatening death, he would receive excellent services here. So I want to talk about why DLS is such a great and special place, and what it means to me as a law student, and hopefully I can speak for people like Will and Patrick who are here, who graduated with me. But if they disagree with anything, feel free to come up and speak their mind. I got incredible skills here: advocacy skills, client communication skills, client counseling skills. I learned how to bind documents, and it is, especially for an articling student. But we spent time in criminal courts. We did family law matters. We did immigration and refugee matters, tenant housing matters. We did outreach at community groups. All of these things, I think, make us the kind of lawyers that we want to be, the kind of lawyers that help, the kind of lawyers that the public needs. I think the most important reason why DLS is a special place, a great place, is the services that it provides and the people that it serves. The people who come here are in desperate need of help. They often have nowhere else to turn, nowhere else to go to, and they can't afford lawyers, and as Judith mentioned, there's a gap, there's an access to justice issue, and DLS is here to help fill in that gap for those people, and to help them in a time of greatest need. And I always felt that it was an honor to serve the clients here at DLS, and I felt that I learned as much from them, from the way that they dealt with their problems courageously, with persistence, and never lost hope. And I learned as much from them as I did from any law school course. I learned as much from the staff lawyers here. I can't speak highly enough of the staff lawyers that I work with, the administrative staff, the support staff, and I know that that's probably been the case throughout the last 40 years. Something really inspiring happened today at the Call to the Bar ceremony, and Patrick will maybe remember this as well. The students stood on stage, crossed the stage to get their certificate, and their family member yelled out to them, "Make some money!" I thought that was really inspiring. I can't tell you how inspiring it is. And, but that's not why, let me just be clear, that's not why I came to law school, and that's not why we come to DLS, and that's not why we want to be lawyers. We want to help people. And, sorry, Mom and Dad.
Manu will come.
Now, before I conclude, the other thing that I want to say is, articling students, the job market is difficult. Some of us are unemployed. If there are any here who are unemployed, raise your hand. If there are any here who have applied for a job with Legal Aid Ontario, raise your hand. Just throwing it out there. But now to conclude, I want to thank you, Lisa, for asking me to speak. Happy birthday, DLS, and let's become the kind of lawyers that the public needs, the kind of lawyers that should not be killed.